Hello friends, welcome to our new tutorial. Let's get started. Take two glasses as shown in the video, one with the white resin and one with golden flakes, so that we can make the texture in the corners. We will use the golden flakes, and in the mid we will use white resin glass. Pour it carefully, and just like this, take the pink color and draw some pattern, any pattern that you want to. And just mix it up very gently and carefully, and ta-da! We got it. And here I am doing this final layering. I hope you like this video. Like, comment and share, and do subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you. And for the detailed video, write us or DM us on 8882781459. Thank you.